What up, gang? Welcome back to the channel, Land Sister Lifestyle. Um, we're gonna let the birds out today. I always let them out every day, 30, 45 minutes, let them stretch their wings, fly around. It's gonna be the silver, it's gonna be freckles. The silver mate is a white, all white, with two dots on them. That's gonna be the first three that come out. I'm training the silver to land on my hand. He kind of cool. The silver one kind of cool, man. He messed with me. So I'm getting him to land on the food tray. He do that a couple times. Him and Freckles. They be the first one out the cage, and they mess with me. You know, they kind of tame. So I'm trying to get them to be cool with me, come land on me. So we're gonna open it up. The silver is gonna be the first one to come out the cage. Every time I come, I'm gonna shoo him off to show you, like, he right there, he gonna be the first one. There go Freckles. Freckles gonna be the second one to come out. It never fails. Go to silver. He do the same routine, fly up there. And when I step back, Freckles gonna come out. Let about 4 or 5 of them out. So while they coming out, I'm gonna show you a trap that I've been making. Well, really the master mechanic, the master carpenter made this trap. So at first, you guys saw the other trap. It didn't work too good. We ain't catch nothing. So we upgraded the trap. Just think about this. All right, this is how it works. Raise this up. Right there. This stick. Goes in a little notch. Raise that up. Put that right there. Bam. Close the door. Got a string system. Put the bait down right there. Hit the stick. It closed. Let's try it. Got some bait right here. Got the bait. Something get in there. Hit the stick. Close. That's the idea. Didn't close down too good that time. Let's try it again. I think because it's not level. It's on this car and it's not level. But that's the idea. The bait in there, we get a coon, possum or something. Go in here, hit the stick, close down. If that don't work, we catch them in this trap. We got a hole about 25 inches. Put something on the top, put some bait on there. Bam, step in the hole, they got. So which one of y'all, which trap you think gonna work the best? The close down, shut 'em trap. Bam, close down, shut 'em. Got 'em. Or the hole in the ground trap. Which one gonna work? I don't know. Oh, we got too many birds out. We got too many birds out. We're gonna close the door. Just did some yard work, so they probably finding all kind of stuff around. Houdini not coming out because he don't know how to act when he come out. So I'm gonna close that up. Open this one. Let them stay out and play. Got 2 blacks and a checkered I put in there. Got a bunch of babies. We'll check on them later. So we lost one bird. BB is no longer with us. Broke beak. One had the one beak. Bottom beak was gone. He hog food. He got caught slipping. So he's no longer with us. Everybody else is doing fine. See what the rabbit's gonna do. Babies, they eating on their own, they drinking on their own. Oh, they in the food tray. They doing what they do. I still haven't put the daddy back in yet. Oh yeah. Yeah, they grown. They eating on their own. We got 7 babies. So, get back in there. They doing what they do. So, they learning, they circling, they flying around a little bit, but mainly just kind of on the ground, chilling. Break up their little party, make them get on. They really just back and forth from the coop to the house. And they're gonna fall back in and go back inside. A lot of civil always do that, like land on their window. Then he go back in and be mad because he want to stay out and play. All right, gang, thanks for watching. Y'all let me know what you think about that trap. Oh, the ground, that is not a trap. That is, I'm throw some cement in there for a basketball goal. So if you made it this far in the video, it is not a trap. I appreciate you watching the whole video. This is for the basketball goal I'm putting right here in the yard. There go the goal. It's been sitting up too long, so start digging the hole. I don't think I'm gonna put that cement in today, but yeah, that is not a trap. I was just messing with y'all to see what y'all think. If you made it this far in the video, appreciate it. What y'all think about the trap? Will it catch something? I'm gonna bait it up tonight and see what happens. Land Lance, it's a lifestyle. We out. Peace.